have Heart Rubio. Let's give her a hand, please. Mamalakpak ng panan.
Hi, July. Happy 8th year. I hope that you continue on being the angel that you already are. Wishing you good health and some more eating session and we're done making with you. I'm so proud of you. I love you.
Thank you so much. And now lastly, we have Miss Elizabeth Baray. A round of applause.
Which that message to me is you need so much and it has the blessings.
You're the best thing to see you grow as a person. Believe you're already insane. I hope you both made the things to be wished to be together in the future happy. Happy birthday to the girl I love.
All right, thank you so much. And before anything else, may we request our beautiful debutant to, of course, blow these candles that, of course, represent the wishes, the well wishes of the important ladies in her life. Of course, atong palakpakan ng atong pinakagwapang debutant. Debutant. And of course, what's a birthday celebration without a birthday cake? But before that, before our debutant will blow and share to us her wish, may we request everyone to please stand and let's sing a happy birthday song to our beautiful debutant.
Sige, blow na lang lang. To you.
Louder.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
All right. Happy birthday to you. Louder, everyone.
Happy birthday to you.
I can't hear you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
All right, and of course, let's hear the wish of our beautiful debutant. Again, let's give her a round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would just like to thank all of you for coming on this lovely evening and for celebrating with me my transition to legality. I'm just gonna keep this short. First of all, to my parents, I am very aware of how much they put their efforts and all of their energy in organizing this event, just ensuring that I have fun and that I will really remember today. So I may not be that vocal to the both of them, but I just want to let them know how much they mean to me, and I love them so much. And lastly, thank you, everyone.
Alright, once again, happy birthday to our beautiful debutant, Angel. You may now blow your cake. All right, let's give her a hand. And now, let's have a photo opportunity with all your 18 candles. Conference ng mga ladies. Thank you. Okay, closer.
Okay. Okay, one more. Okay. Everybody eyes here, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile. Wait lang. One more. Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you so much. And once again, atong palakpakan, of course, ang ato ang 18 candles for their sweet and thoughtful messages. And now, may we call on the loving parents